Sa edukasyong hatid sa bawat tahanan, walang iwanan,
because we learn as one.
Hello everyone! Welcome to Story Corner. I am so happy you are with us today. I am Teacher Lino. Our friends, Kuya Ian and Ate San are with us too.
Hello, everyone!
We have some fun things planned for today. We will read the rest of our story of Mrs. Post and her science class. We will also learn new blends that go at the end of words and read new words together. Before we read, I want to share some words with you. These words will be in the story. We will spell each word and read it together. Then, I will use it in a sentence. Our first word is describe. Spell and read the word with me. D-E-S-C-R-I-P-E. Describe. Very good. Describe means to tell what someone or something is like. I can describe myself by saying, I am tall and have black hair. Can you describe what you look like? Great job! Our next word is belt. Spell and read the word with me. B-E-L-T. Belt. We use a belt to keep our pants up. This word is volume. Let's spell and read the word together. V-O-L-U-M-E. Volume. Very good. Volume is the amount of space something takes up. Look at this chair. The chair goes into the big box and the chair does not change size. The chair goes into the small box and the chair does not change size. The chair keeps the same volume or the space it fills in both boxes. This word is clothes. Spell and read the word with me. C-L-O-T-H-E-S. Clothes. Great job!
Clothes are things we wear
To cover our bodies, shirts and pants are clothes. What clothes are you wearing?
I am wearing shoes. Shoes are a kind of clothes.
I am wearing a belt. Belts are a kind of clothes too.
Yes, shoes and belts are also clothes. What other kinds of clothes can you name? I heard a lot of good answers. Yes, hats, coats, dresses, pants, and socks are all clothes too. Last time we met, we began to read a story about a science class. Do you remember what happened in the story?
I remember the students were learning about solids.
They learned about liquids too.
Can you tell me what solids are? Very good! Yes, solids are things that have a fixed shape and size. The shape and size do not change. Kuya, can you name something that is a solid?
A rock is a solid.
You're right. A rock is a solid. It does not change shape or size. Ate, can you name something that is a solid?
A ball is a solid.
That's right. A ball is a solid. Can you name something that is a solid? Excellent job! Mrs. Post's class also learned about liquids. Can you tell me what liquids are? Very good! Yes, liquids are things that do have a fixed size but do not have a fixed shape. The shape changes, but the size does not. Ate, can you name something that is a liquid?
River water is a liquid.
Yes, the water in a river is a liquid. It can change shape. Kuya, can you name something that is a liquid?
Petrol is a liquid.
Wonderful. Petrol is a liquid. Can you name something that is a liquid? Good work. You have some great ideas. Let's keep reading our story with Chapter 3. For this story, I will be reading the lines of the narrator and Mrs. Post. Ate Sam will read the lines of Trish, while Kuya Ian will be the voice of Nash and Rusk. Let's begin! Chapter 3. Solids. It is Monday in Mrs. Post's science class. We must show more than one solid and describe them.
I show my shoes and my belt.
Trish shows boxes. A small box and a big box. Rusk shakes the big box. He thinks it is a gift. Nash shows fruits. A banana, an orange, and a mango. Rusk tries to eat the banana. Mrs. Post asks, "What makes these solids?"
We say the clothes, boxes, and fruits keep the same shape. The shape does not change.
Can you think of something that keeps the same shape?
We say the clothes, boxes, and fruits take up the same space. Solids have the same volume.
Can you think of something that always has the same volume?
Awesome reading! Now, let's review what's happening in the story. What did the students bring to show Mrs. Post and the class?
They each bring in 2 solids.
What are some of the solids they bring to class?
Shoes and a belt.
A big box and a small box.
Fruits. A banana, an orange, and a mango.
You are right. All of the things the students bring to class are solids. Can you tell me what makes them solids?
The clothes, boxes, and fruits all keep the same shape and the same size.
Yes, the volume of each solid stays the same.
That's right! Remember, solids have a set shape and size. Solids keep their shape and size even if they are put inside something else. I have a pencil. It is a solid. When I put the pencil into the jar, the pencil keeps its shape and size. Let's keep reading our story.
Chapter 4. Liquids. It is Thursday in Mrs. Post's science class. We must show a liquid and describe it.
I show my bottle of water. I tilt it to pour the water in a cup.
Trish shows her juice in a bag. She tilts it to pour the juice in a cup.
Rusk says, "Look, the liquid always goes to the bottom of the cup."
Mrs. Post asks, "What makes these liquids?"
We say the water and the juice do not keep the same shape. The shape changes in the cup. They take the shape of the solid they are in.
Can you think of something that changes shape when you pour it?
That is a good question. What is something that changes shape when we pour it?
Juice changes shape when we pour it. Trish has juice in a bag. She pours the juice in a cup. The juice goes to the bottom and fills up the cup.
Very good, Ate. The juice is a liquid. First, it took the shape of the bag it was in. Then, it took the shape of the cup Trish poured it into. What is another thing that changes shape when we pour it? Very good! All liquids change shape when we pour them. They take the shape of the solid they are poured into. Let's keep reading our story. Gases. Rusk shows a balloon he kept in his desk. He blows it up big.
We say the air in the balloon is a gas. It changes shape, it changes volume. It takes the shape and volume of the solid it is in.
Can you think of something that is a gas? This is where our story ends. Imagine you are in Mrs. Post's science class. Can you name something that is a gas?
I think the air in my bicycle tires is a gas.
Excellent! The air we put in our tires is a gas. It takes the shape of the tire and fills it up.
The air in our lungs is a gas.
You were right, Kuya. We breathe air into our lungs. The air we breathe is a gas. It takes the shape of our lungs and fills them up. You all did a wonderful job reading the rest of our story. Now, let's practice reading some words with blends. Remember, a blend has two or more consonants that blend together in a word. When we see a blend, we say the sound for each letter. One blend we know is st. We know a lot of words that begin with a blend st. Sound out and read this word with me.
Stop. Stop.
Stop before crossing the street. Can you tell someone to stop with me?
Stop.
Excellent! Can you think of other words that begin with st?
The word stem begins with st.
You're right! Stem begins with st. Sound out and read this word with me.
Stem.
Stem. This flower has a green stem. Great job! The blend st can also go at the end of words. Let's sound out and read these words together. Fist. I make a fist with my hand. Can you make a fist? Excellent! What are other words that end with st?
Nest ends with st.
Yes. Nest ends in st. Sound out and read the word with me.
Nest. Nest.
I saw a nest in a tree. Can you think of a word that ends in st? Good. I heard someone say test. Test ends in st. Let's sound it out and read it together.
Test.
I took a spelling test. Great job! Let's keep going with new blends at the end of words. Sound out and read this word with me. Remember, when we read a blend, we say the sound for each letter.
Tilt.
I can tilt my body this way.
Students, can you tilt like Kuya and Ate? Very good! Can you think of other words that end with lt?
The word felt ends with lt.
Yes, felt ends in lt. Sound out and read the word with me. Felt. Students, can you copy me? We felt the rain on our hands. Felt means something we touched. Can you think of another word that ends with lt? I heard lots of good answers. Someone said wilt. Wilt ends in lt. Let's sound it out and read it together. Wilt. If it gets too hot, my flower will wilt. Very good, students. Let's try one more blend. Sound out and read this word with me. Blink.
I can blink my eyes very quickly.
Everyone, can you blink your eyes like Ate is doing? Wonderful. Now, can you tell me another word that ends in nk?
Yes, the word sink ends with nk.
You are right, Kuya. Sink ends with nk. Sound it out and read it with me, everyone. Sink. We wash our hands in a sink. Can you think of more words that end with nk? Very good! Many of you said the word pink. Pink ends with unk. Let's sound out and read the word. Pink. I have a pink vest. Excellent reading, everyone! We're almost at the end of our story time. We've read the last 2 chapters of Mrs. Post's science class. We learned a lot about solids, liquids, and gases. Here are some things you can do at home. Read or retell Mrs. Post's science class to someone there. Work with someone to make lists of words that end in st, lt, and unk.
Do not hesitate to ask for help from your family members and teachers. Remember, here at We Learn as One, my TV school,
We learn as one, yes, we learn as one, together hand in hand. We learn as one, yes, we learn as one, together hand in hand.
Kuya, Ate, and I had so much fun with you today. Thank you to all the students and the family members who joined us. See you next time for a new story. Goodbye!
Goodbye! We learn as one, yes, we learn as one, together